How to get and share your Jobseeker link on OnlineJobs.ph. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our account. To do that, we'll have to open our browser and then search for OnlineJobs.ph/Jobseeker. After that, tap on search. In here, we'll have to type our email address and then our password. After that, tap on login. Once we're logged in, we will be automatically redirected to this page where we can start searching for a job. So keep in mind that once you have created your online jobs account or you have your profile verified, you will automatically get a job seeker link. So to get that or to view that link, what we need to do is to go on top and then tap on this account option. After that, we'll have to tap on our account's name. Once we do that, we will be automatically redirected here on our profile. And then on top, you will now see your job seeker link. And then if you want to copy this one or share, simply tap on this copy option. And then after that, the link will be automatically copied on your clipboard and then you can now share it. So that's how easy we can get and share our job seeker link on OnlineJobs.ph. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.